Hi guys, my name is Juanita. My Instagram and TikTok handle are both JSM Beauty Room if you want to go ahead and follow me on there. This page is going to be dedicated more to learning tips, tricks, little hauls, maybe even some vlogs. I'm going to be showing you guys all the products I use for lashing, any products that I use for PMU, specifically for ombre powder brows, and hopefully later on in the future a couple of other things as well. This is just more an introductory video so you guys can get to know me a bit. I have been lashing for 3 years, and this year it's going to be 3 years in November, I believe. I have loved it. It has absolutely transformed my life. It's something that I enjoy every single day, and honestly it has changed me and helped me out so much with so many things in life. Also, I do ombre powder brows PMU. I've been doing that for almost 2 years now. I believe in March it will be 2 years, and that I'm still getting the hang of it on some things, but I have gotten a lot better. So go ahead and follow me on that journey as well. I am 30 years old. I do turn 31 in December 16 to be exact. I'm a Sagittarius. I have 2 kids, a boy and a girl, which I absolutely love and adore. My oldest is 13 and my youngest is 6 years old. I am married, and I have been with my partner for 11 years, but married only for 6 years. So I hope you guys follow me on my journey, and if there's any specific videos you guys want to see, anything specifically you want me to cover or anything like that, feel free to let me know down in the comments. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe my YouTube channel so we can get to know each other better. Bye.